So what is a niche? Niche is serving a narrow market which is either underserved or overserved by existing players. So if you are a business, you are trying to enter a niche when you feel that there is a gap between what the market wants and what the companies are giving. Okay, so there's some kind of a mismatch, and some companies might enter into this small gap and they might effectively make money out of it. Okay, for example, there were many general magazines which were available, but at one point of time some people felt that why shouldn't we launch a magazine for bike and car lovers? So that's why they came with a magazine called as Overdrive. It's in India. Okay, so magazine for bike and car lovers, it's a niche market. So what's the benefit? See, it's a very small segment, because they're not, if you take the entire people who read magazine, that's a huge amount of people. But if you take only the people who are going to read bike and car magazine, that's going to be a very small segment. So it is actually a smaller segment, but even in the small segment, a company can make a lot of money. So that's what they say. One, it allows specialization. So you are catering into only a small number of people. You can specialize in terms of the car and bike which are newly launched, and you can write a write-up about that. So it's a very specialized segment, and as it is a specialized segment, you won't find a lot of competitors. In a general magazine, you will find a lot of competitors, but in a car and bike magazine, you won't find much competition. There might be maximum 3 magazines, because that is what the market would support. So can you give an example of niche? Can you think about any company which is niche, which caters to a very small segment? I think this is an amazing example. What comes to your mind when you see this logo? Are you happy when you see this logo? Not this logo, this logo. Okay, it's Walt Disney's logo. Do you think they are a niche company? Do you think they cater to all types of audience, or they deal with only a specialized set of audience? They usually deal with a specialized set of audience, and those set of audience are called as children. This company is into the production of movies. Look at the number of movies they have produced over the period of time. So they specialize in creating movies for children. It's a niche, because movies are a very general thing. Every production company produces movies, but this company produces movies for children. So they are like very specialized or a niche company. So this company earns a huge amount of money. So this company's predominant income is movies. That's what we think. They also sell merchandise. So once a movie is launched, they sell all types of toys and everything based upon that movie. And this is Disney's income segment. In 2017, this is how their income is. So you might see that 5.5 billion has come from the movie sales, and 1.4 has come from studio entertainment. I think again it's movie only. And 1.2 has come from consumer products, so like the sale of the merchandise. And 4.7 has come from parks and resorts. So they also have theme parks, it seems. And that too, it's half of their company's income. So their sale of movies and the resorts and theme parks are equally contributing. And these are the companies that they have. They are into television and film. We think that they are into, Disney is into only cartoon channels and for kids. No, that is their main income. But apart from that, they are into all these companies. They are the owners of all these companies. They are also into the print segment. So if you buy any of the comics, again it's theirs. They are also into video games. And these are the companies, and this is how their income flows. They are earning they have 95.79 billion of assets, and this is how the assets have been spread. So in terms of consumer products, in terms of media network, in terms of theme parks, in terms of studios, look how they are spread. So they are a niche, and they have spread, and they've used that niche position to make huge amount of money. Okay, based upon children, they have got the money and they are enjoying the money.